Hello, my name's Ashley and I've been training radio DJs for 18 years now. Whenever I'm training beginners, I keep seeing the same mistakes over and over again. So I've designed this radio course for complete beginners, community radio DJs, hospital radio DJs and radio students to help make your shows sound awesome. We'll be looking at researching and prepping, writing for radio, technical operations, storytelling, interviewing techniques, production and media law. By the end of this course, you'll be able to research show ideas, script and write for radio, know how to make your voice sound dynamic, master the mixing desk, understand how to interview, know about libel and copyright, and you'll also learn how to avoid the common beginner DJ mistakes. So come on in, let's get started and let's discover the underpriced, awesomely made radio DJ training course.